Hi, we are Large Line and we are building a two-story cabin by ourselves. We have never done such a thing. We are beginners in everything. Without machineries, we are trying to lift up OSB planks and we're using a drywall hoister. We previously tried to do it, but we failed at. We perfected the system by using two brackets and a floating shelf, and there we go, my husband tested it and it should hold. We are lifting up the plank. I'm staying out of my husband's way. He's bringing up the hoister. Place it under the shelf. Now we're locking the wheels in place to make sure that hoister is not moving away while we are lifting up the plank with the hoister. Now I'm looking to make sure nothing is hitting on the side, preventing the hoister to go up safely. All is done. We have to go upstairs, and there we go. We are nice and safe. Everybody's happy. It's a beautiful day, guys. We made it. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time. Please share. Bye.